Hi. Hi. My name is Paul. My name is Paul and I'm a Build-A-Bear dog. It really should just be called Build an Animal because I mean they have rabbits and cats and dogs and I guess we do have bears, but it doesn't really make sense because we have so many more animals. One time they had a frog. It came with a stripper outfit. And then that was Paul and his words of wisdom. Paul, wow, that's creepy. He landed sitting up perfectly. Well, okay. I have like the biggest eyes. The heck? It like automatically zoomed in. That's so cool. Wow. Okay, now. Wow. Eyes. Eyes and nose. Eyes, nose, and mouth. Eyes, nose, mouth, and full head. Eyes, nose, mouth, and full screen. Hey, look! A Hello Kitty sticker. I don't know if you can read that. I think it's backwards. Now I can't hear anything. These are really good headphones. This is my life, people. This is what I do in my spare time. That's sad. That's extremely sad. It's extremely sad. They uploaded a video this morning of still nothing. Then again, it was 5 a.m., so I don't even think anyone watched it. No one watches my videos. Like, no one at all. I check all the time. All the time. Felt like Boxy there for a second. Just keep repeating my words, shaking my head. Boxy. 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 Well, say bye to Paul. He's a drag queen. He has a tuxedo top and then a tutu. I made him like that. He's special. Hide behind your ears in shame. Father your death. You father was death. This time he landed upside down with his tongue sticking out of his mouth. He really did. Look. Is that a coincidence or not? I said fall to your death and he did that. That's not a coincidence. That's not a coincidence. He follows my orders. He's my whore. Paul is my whore. And I know what you're thinking. Emily, why are you wearing cat ears? Or maybe you're not fazed by that at all, and you're just thinking, Emily, how do you get your hair to look so good? Well, the answer to both of those questions, I have no freaking idea. No idea. Mm-mm. Well, now I'm bored, because Paul fell to his death. Oh, I have a unicorn, but that's not as interesting. I bet you can hear Disney Channel the entire time through this video. I bet you can. It's funny. It's funny, because it's like, you're just like watching this, like not expecting anything to happen, and you're just like watching it in your head. You know all the words, you know the pictures, I know you do. It's how obsessed you are. I know it. I can see it, I can feel it. I hit a button and some little lady popped up in my corner. She kind of looked like this. She kind of looked like that. Actually, no. The little help lady kind of looks like this. Wow, that was sad. That's what she looks like. She really does. Like, she has like her little microphone on and stuff, but besides that, she just looks like that. It's ridiculous. It's kind of funny, so. It's kind of funny. Just see him a little feet be like, "Hey, Mr. Feet. Hi, we're gonna get in your video for a second, okay? Okay, hi, bye." My feet are dirty because I had to wear flip-flops today, but they were aggravating, so I took them off. Oh well. Put a shower this way. Wow, I have a video on here from when my hair was pink. I should redo that. I should. I think I'll do that in a couple of hours. Even though it's 1 a.m. And most people are like, "Oh my gosh, does she save videos and then upload them?" And by the way, when I say people, I mean the friends who don't actually watch them but pay attention to when I upload my video. I have such a sad life. Nobody watches these. They're so boring because I have nothing to do. My life. I should have recorded the parade. I had an awesome time. I saw my old dog and a couple of friends. I saw puppies. Oh my god, they were so adorable. I saw puppies like half the size of my head all day. They were just coming out of nowhere. I mean, out of nowhere. We walked into the gas station and there was one. And then there were fireworks. The fireworks sucked, so I just laid on the courthouse lawn. Don't actually know if it was a courthouse or not. I don't remember. Well, I remember, but I don't really think it was the courthouse. I wasn't paying attention to that. So, I thought I just straightened my hair. Looks like crap. Oh well. Well, I'll start recording more once I can find the cord to my actual camera to put the things on the internet, because that doesn't connect to anything and it doesn't have a cord, and right now all I'm using is my webcam and I can't really take my computer everywhere and be like, okay, laptop, everything. That wouldn't work. It wouldn't. So right now I can just use my laptop. I'll record things like at home and stuff if we have like an interesting game of beer pong going or something. Just something like that. I'll probably record it. But besides that, probably not. You'll probably just be getting a lot of really random videos of this. Me talking to my camera in my room alone at 1 a.m. And I know what you're thinking. I know what you're thinking, Emily. What else goes on in your room alone at 1 a.m.? Well, I will show you. And now, stuffed animals. Did he just get dragged away? I think he did. I think he just got dragged away. Just got dragged away by nothing. I'm back! What are you back from? Where did you go? Where did you go? You never told me what. You just got dragged away by absolutely nothing. Got dragged away to nothing. Just shut up! Right, man, shut up! I will tell you where I went in a second. Okay. I went to Disneyland. Oh my god, Disneyland? Yeah, man, Disneyland. Oh my god, with Minnie Mouse there. She's my favorite. Why is she your favorite? Mickey's my favorite. Why is Mickey your favorite? He did nothing. Minnie did nothing. She planted a garden. Alright, Minnie planted a garden. You got a point there. You got a point there. I got a point there. I got a point there. Yeah, you do. Yeah, you do. Okay. Well, I'm gonna go back to Disneyland. Cause coming back here to your retarded face was like, it was like nothing. It was like the stupidest thing I could have ever done, and I regret every second of it. Go back to Disneyland. Why is it that every time he goes to Disneyland, he just gets dragged away by absolutely nothing? Absolutely nothing. Okay, I get it, man. Every time I go to Disneyland, I get dragged away by absolutely nothing. That does not have to be the main topic of absolutely everything you say. Yes, it does. That was not what you expected, was it? Probably not. But you know, we're gonna keep talking. No, I'm not. Later.